Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best Ram 1500 cold air intakes on the market. If you're looking to boost your truck's performance, improve engine efficiency, and get that extra edge on the road, you're in the right place. These cold air intakes are designed to optimize airflow, enhance throttle response, and give your Ram 1500 a powerful, aggressive sound. We've selected these top picks based on their performance, ease of installation, and customer feedback. So, whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your ride, stay tuned to find out which cold air intake is the perfect fit for your truck. So check the link in the description below. Number 1. Canon Cold Air Intake Kit, increase acceleration and towing power, guaranteed to increase horsepower up to 16 HP, compatible with 5.7L V8, 2009 to 2021 Dodge/Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, 1500 Classic, 63 to 1561 offers a remarkable performance boost for your Ram 1500. This intake kit ensures a significant increase in horsepower, up to 16 HP, and enhances torque by up to 17.54 feet-pounds, thanks to its design that reduces airflow restriction. The advanced intake system allows for a more efficient flow of cool, oxygen-rich air into the engine, promoting better acceleration and overall engine performance. Canon's system also provides an exhilarating engine growl during acceleration while maintaining a quieter operation at cruising speeds. Each intake system undergoes rigorous dyno testing, with detailed reports included to confirm the performance gains. Ideal for towing, this kit improves throttle response and uphill performance, making it a valuable addition for those who frequently haul heavy loads. The system features Canon's signature reusable air filter, constructed with 4 layers of pleated cotton and enhanced with red filter oil, which captures dust and dirt while allowing clean air to pass through. This filter only requires cleaning every 100,000 miles under normal driving conditions. The durable roto-molded intake tube, made from high-density polyethylene, maximizes airflow, and the custom heat shield protects the intake air from engine bay heat. Canon guarantees that this air intake kit will not void your vehicle's manufacturer warranty and is backed by a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty. Installation is straightforward with detailed instructions and all necessary parts included, typically completed in under 60 minutes with basic tools. Proudly made in the USA, this intake kit reflects Canon's commitment to quality and reliability, supported by US-based customer service. Number 2. Rough Country Cold Air Intake for 09-18 Ram 1500 19-24 Classic 5.7L 10614 is a top choice for enhancing your vehicle's performance. This high-performance intake system is designed to significantly boost horsepower and throttle response, giving your Ram 1500 an impressive upgrade. The Rough Country Cold Air Intake stands out with its ability to circulate cooler air, which is denser and provides a crucial increase in power by delivering more oxygen to the combustion chamber. This cooler air intake translates to better combustion efficiency and overall engine performance. The kit features a premium, reusable air filter that ensures long-term durability and consistent airflow, making maintenance easier and more cost-effective. Installation is straightforward, designed for at-home setup with comprehensive support provided by Rough Country to guide you through the process. Additionally, the intake is backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and reliability. This cold air intake is specifically engineered for the 5.7L engine in the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 and 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 Classic models, making it an ideal choice for those seeking the best cold air intake to enhance their vehicle's performance. With its combination of easy installation, performance enhancement, and long-lasting durability, the Rough Country Cold Air Intake is a standout product for improving the driving experience and getting the most out of your Ram 1500. Number 3. AF Dynamic Black Cold Air Filter Intake Systems with Heat Shield for the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 5.7L V8 offers a robust enhancement for your vehicle's performance and efficiency. This intake system is engineered to provide a significant boost over the factory setup, incorporating only the highest quality components. The system features a sleek black design and includes a heat shield that helps protect the intake air from engine heat, ensuring cooler, denser air intake. The intake replaces the OEM filter and air box with precision-engineered parts, including top-grade stainless steel button head bolts, washers, lock nuts, and band clamps, alongside high-quality silicone couplers, elbows, and hoses, eschewing cheap rubber for superior durability and performance. Functionally, the AF dynamic system enhances engine efficiency by allowing it to draw in colder air more effectively, which translates into better throttle response and consistently higher horsepower output. This improvement is notable, with the system increasing filtration efficiency by up to 95% compared to OEM paper filters. Users can expect a horsepower gain of 5 to 10 and a torque boost of 6 to 8%, along with improved gas mileage. The intake system also delivers an intense, deep sporty sound that adds to the driving experience. While professional installation is highly recommended to ensure optimal performance, the system comes with a 60-day factory warranty and is compatible with original equipment manufacturer computer systems, guaranteeing a seamless integration with your Ram 1500. Number 4. Musen Cold Air Intake Kit W/Filter High Performance is a top-tier upgrade for your 2014 to 2020 Chevy, GMC, and Cadillac V8 engines, specifically designed to enhance the performance of your Silverado 1500, Suburban, Tahoe, Sierra 1500, Yukon, Yukon Denali, and Escalade. This kit fits a wide range of models, including the 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 with 5.3L/6.2L V8 engines, as well as the 2015 to 2020 Cadillac Escalade and Escalade ESV with a 6.2L V8 engine. Additionally, it is compatible with the 2015 to 2020 Suburban and Tahoe with a 5.3L V8 engine and the 2015 to 2020 GMC Yukon/Yukon XL with a 5.3L V8 engine. The Yukon Denali and Denali XL equipped with a 6.2L V8 engine also benefit from this kit. It's important to note that this product is designed for both automatic and manual transmissions but is not compatible with hybrid models. What sets the Musen Cold Air Intake Kit apart is its ability to increase horsepower by 5 to 10% and torque by 6 to 10%, providing a noticeable boost in engine performance. This improvement is complemented by a more aggressive and attractive intake noise that enhances the driving experience. The kit's construction features high-quality black and red components, ensuring durability and a sleek appearance under the hood. The air filter included in the kit is designed to improve airflow, resulting in better fuel efficiency and throttle response. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts. The Musen Cold Air Intake Kit is also an ideal option for those seeking the best Ram 1500 cold air intake, offering a significant upgrade in both performance and aesthetics. This product is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their vehicle's engine output and overall driving experience. Number 5. Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit is a top-tier upgrade for your 2019 Dodge/Ram 1500, designed with precision to deliver enhanced horsepower and torque. This air intake kit is dyno-tested and showcases an impressive capability, offering up to 50% more airflow compared to the restrictive factory box air filter and intake tube. This increased airflow translates into significant performance gains, especially noticeable when towing or accelerating uphill, as the throttle response is markedly improved. The Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit doesn't just enhance performance, it also transforms the auditory experience of your vehicle. With this installation, you'll hear the deep, powerful growl of your engine like never before, giving you an audible reminder of the power under your hood. Engine protection is a priority with this kit, as it features a world-class high-performance air filter. This advanced oiled synthetic filter is designed to shield your engine from harmful contaminants and debris, pushing the limits of engine protection and ensuring longevity. The maintenance of the Spectre air intake system is remarkably easy, with no filter cleaning required for up to 100,000 miles, allowing you to enjoy the performance boost with minimal upkeep. Installation is straightforward, requiring only basic hand tools and less than an hour of your time, making it one of the easiest and most efficient ways to increase horsepower in your Ram 1500. Importantly, installing this kit will not void your vehicle warranty, providing peace of mind alongside the performance gains. The Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit is the ideal choice for those seeking the best cold air intake for their Ram 1500, offering a perfect blend of power, protection, and ease of use. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your Ram 1500's performance, a high-quality cold air intake can make a significant difference. The options we've discussed today offer excellent airflow, better throttle response, and improved engine efficiency. Whether you prioritize increased horsepower, better fuel economy, or a more aggressive engine sound, there's a cold air intake system that fits your needs. Be sure to consider factors such as ease of installation, compatibility with your vehicle, and overall value to find the best choice for your Ram 1500. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. share for more update videos.